Hey, this is Dustin from Your RV Specialist. We know and love all Thetford RV products. Let me tell you about one today. This is Thetford's Tank Blaster. This is a different product than what you're used to using. This product works both on the gray and on the black tank. This is their special formulated enzymatic blend. It basically consists of four products in one. So unlike your normal tablets that you're dropping inside the coach or some of the other chemicals that you're putting in your holding tank for your gray or your black tank, these come in a single serving packet. There's 4 of these contained in each one of these pouches. They're actually broken down, so they're very easily to go ahead and pour down the toilet, to drop down any of your drains, such as your shower, your bathroom sink, or your kitchen sink. What's different about this product is it actually is like a foaming material. So when it makes contact with the water, it foams and expands. So it's not only cleaning and killing, all the bacteria, mold, and smells and different things that accumulate in those tanks, but it's expanding through the pipes and into the holding tanks, which is then basically coating the side walls of the holding tanks. It also cleans all the tank sensors, and it's got a really nice cherry smell. So if you haven't tried this product, please give it a try and let us know how you like it. Thank you so much for watching.